This is the Nutrisense CGM program. It's $179 for glucose monitoring plus an app where you can track your meals. I've used this in the past today. They've gone through a lot of updates, but I'm going to share what I've had so far, what it's like, and is this thing actually worth $179 per month? And how does it compare to other things like Levels Health? Let's get into it. Now, inside the box, you're going to get this Nutrisense box. It's going to say Discover and Reach Your Health Potential. And inside of that, you're going to get Stelo Libre 14-day sensors from Abbott. And these things do expire over time. I think these actually expired in February. There's one sensor pack, a product insert. I just had these for a long time and I haven't had time to use them. This is their quick start guide. You're going to download the Nutrisense app, set your password, apply and activate your sensor, connect with a nutritionist, and then this kind of shows like how the sensor works. It lasts for 14 days and it can be worn underwater up to 30 minutes at up to 3 feet. And what's nice is when you do these, and this does need a doctor's prescription, so they actually manage that for you using a teledoc. It looks like they use True Pill Pharmacy here to get that prescription through and shipped to me. But what I like about these kind of active ones is they actually also mail you active patches, because if you are prescribed a glucose monitor, all you're gonna get is the Stelo Libre, whereas with Nutrisense, you're gonna get these active covers. So if you do work out and shower a lot, this will help make sure it stays on, as well as alcohol swabs. And those just make sure that it doesn't fall off. And I highly recommend you wear those. So how does this all work? You're gonna sign up online. They're going to actually send you, I think nowadays they send you Dexcom Stelo sensors, which are 15 days each. You download the Nutrisense app on iOS. You'll apply these sensors to the fatty area on your arm. You scan it. You start using it with your phone. The sensor will get the data, and then you'll sync your meals to the Nutrisense app. And you get alerts when your glucose spikes. It gives you scores. All the different CGM apps kind of do very similar things. They just do it slightly differently. The user experiences can be slightly different. Nutrisense does have coaching as well with dietitians, nutritionists. And you can schedule calls with them. They'll help look at your data and help you understand it, as well as give you plans to follow and things like that. Now, who is this for? It's for people who are pre-diabetic, weight loss, metabolic health optimizers. Maybe you already have a wearable, you want another wearable. It's good if you have a sleep tracker, because that health data can integrate with the Nutrisense stuff. And we'll have a link down below for this if you do plan to buy it. Now, some things about the Dexcom Stelo. It's a 15-day wear time. I think a lot of brands stop using the Abbott prescription ones because Stelo is just more common as non-prescription. Abbott does also have Lingo, but they have their own app as well. The Stelo will measure every 5 minutes via Bluetooth, has a waterproof rating of 2.4 meters for swimming, and there's no finger prick or calibration required. Dexcom and Abbott are kind of the two biggest hardware makers of CGM technology. They do the prescription ones now the over-the-counter versions as well. And Nutrisense, Levels Health are really building the application that goes on top of that hardware. So the hardware is owned by a separate company. The software is really what you're looking at when you're planning to buy this. The pricing for Nutrisense, 3-month is $270. And it can be discounted to $189, especially if you use the discount code and links down below. The 6-month is $230 per month, often discounted to $161, and the 12-month, $215 per month, often discounted to $151. And if you bring your own sensor where you just get the app, it's $39 per month with a compatible CGM from a doctor. And then they have dietitian coaching, which can be around $100 per month. It really depends on the pricing. So the total cost of ownership can be pretty expensive. You're paying $800-900 upfront for whatever plan. So Levels Health is definitely just it could be cheaper, more depending on which one you get. Levels is $199, Signos is $449 per month. The Dexcom Stelo is $89 per month using their app and their sensor. The Abbott Lingo is $79 per month. So there's a lot of options. What are my thoughts? It's just does the app make it convenient? Is it easy to use? This is the Nutrisense app. You're going to get the scores here, 24/7 glucose tracking, gives you the charts. It makes it beautiful and easy to understand. They have the coaching, which is integrated with the app that you're not going to get in some of the other ones, and a daily glucose and action plan, meal score data, side-by-side meal comparisons, track variability, and peaks and averages. So this is kind of what the app is going to look like. You have messaging on the top right. You have your insights also next to that. There's a Nora AI where you can ask questions about your data. I can go ahead and tap here to see my past history data. I can go through all the months of data. I can sync different CGMs. See the trends over time, my plan, what I need to do, focus on getting good sleep, unlock CGM insights, bring in my own CGM. There's a coach as well. My insurance is not eligible, but your insurance might be. Stress management call, unlimited nutrition chats, and then also being able to learn. So is this worth it? I think this can be very valuable for 1 to 2 months. This is what I found is the maximum learning. And then you just have to take that information and go from there. If you don't use that information and change your life, then it's not valuable. So you have to be dedicated and wanting to change your life based on your metabolic scores. And that's where I highly recommend getting this. We will have a link down below. Click that, support the channel, subscribe to notifications. My name is @Shervin. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.